We want to evaluate these algebraic expressions, and the first one says a equal to
You want me to that place now? Eh?
1,
You touch. You want me to now? I will go fast and find out
then
one
b
person more.
equal
I
to
go ask
2, then c equal to 3. Then we have been given some things to find, okay? So number one, we're finding 5a. A is 1, so 5a will be 5 times 1, which is 5. Number two, we're finding 6b. B is 2, so 6 times 2 equal to 12. Okay?
So I've done that one in class.
Yeah, I just want to do everything, okay?
So I've done 1 to 20.
Yeah. So, okay. What should the answer to number 9 be?
Sir?
Number 9. Don't check your notes.
Number 9.
Yes.
Okay. Is it minus? Okay, minus 3c. So
Mm-hmm.
c equals to 3. So minus 3, um, minus 3 times 3. Just 3 times 3. That is minus 9.
That's minus 9. That means you know. So you want us to start from uh number what now?
We can start from 20.
20. So let's go to
Yeah,
number 20. Number 20 says A minus BC, right?
yes,
What's A? A is 1. What's
yes,
B?
sir.
B is 2.
This
And
is
C is 3.
3.
So we
Yes,
have
sir.
1 minus 6, which is negative 5, okay?
Yes, sir.
Is that, yeah. So number 21, it says 2A plus B. So that is 2 times 1 plus 2, which is 2 plus 2, and that is what? 4. So number 22, we have 3B plus 2C. B is 2, that is 3B. Then 2C, C is 3. So 3 times 2
Yes.
gives us 6, and 2 times 3 gives us 6, which is going to be
Did
12.
you say 10 times 2 or
What
2
did you
times
say?
2?
3 times 2 gives us 6, and 2 times 3 gives us 6, okay?
Okay, I thought you said 10 times 2.
No, there is no 10 among them.
Oh, no, there is no sign.
You said?
There is no sign for that number 22.
No sign of times, right?
Like there's no minus or plus sign.
For the number 22, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't you see this plus sign at the middle?
No, like the answer, there's no sign.
Okay, wait a minute. What do you mean? You want a sign to be in front of the answer, right?
Yes, I thought there was normally a sign.
No. If it
Not
is
all.
positive, it is positive. You don't even need to write it, okay?
Okay, sir.
But if it is not positive, if it's negative, you must write it. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So number 23, we have 7a minus 2b. A is 1, that's 7 times 1. B is 2, that's 2 times 2. So that would be
Yes.
7 minus 4, which is 3. Then number 24, which is the last one on that aspect, We have 4c minus 3b, right?
Right, sir.
So c is 3, that is 4 into 3. Then b is 2, that is 3 into 2. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6. So your answer is 6, which is positive. Okay. Now we can look at the other one, which is this one. So have you done some of this one in the class?
Yes, sir. She gave us this one as assignment.
Okay, so I mean, have you done where do you want us to start from in this one?
So let's just start from the beginning.
From the beginning. So number one says find 2x. When x is
Hmm.
negative x is 4, okay?
Yes, sir.
X equal 4, y equal negative 5, and z equal to negative 3 according to the question.
Yes,
So number
sir.
one says find 2x. That's 2 times x, which is 2 into 4, which is 8, okay?
Okay, sir.
Your video
Okay.
is not there, okay? Number two, I have to find 4y. Y is negative 5, okay? That is 4 into negative 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Positive times negative is negative. So we have negative 20. And number three, we
Yes.
have to find 10z, which is 10 into negative 3. 10 times 3 is 30. And there is a negative sign there. Number four, we have
Yes,
negative
sir.
8x, which means this is negative 8 into 4. 8 times 4 is 32 with a negative sign. And number 5 says negative y, which is negative into negative 5. So negative times negative is positive. So the answer is positive 5. Then number 6 is negative 2x. That's minus 2x. So minus 2 into 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Then we have minus 8. Number 7, we have xy, which means x times y. 4 times 5 is 20. Then there's a negative there. Number 8, we have xz, which is
Get
x is 4 and z is minus 5. Then, z is minus 3 at the top there. Then we have 4 times 3 is 12, negative. And let's see the next number, number 9. For number 9, we have yz, or is it yz again? So that's yz. Y is negative 5, negative 5, then z is negative 3. Negative times negative is positive, then 5 times 3 is 15. Number 10, we have x squared. So whatever x is, you're going to square it, and that is going to give us 16. Number 11, we
Yes.
have y squared. Whatever y is, you're going to square it, and negative square gives us positive, so we have 25 positive. Number 12, we have z squared. So that is negative 3 all squared, which is positive 9. Then number 13, we have xyz. That is x times y then times z. Minus times minus is plus. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. So let's move on to the remaining ones at the bottom. Number 13. So we have number 14 to 24. So for number 14, it says x plus y. X is 4 and y is minus 5. Plus times minus is minus. So 4 minus 5, this gives us negative 1. Then number 15, we have y plus z over x. Y is minus 5, z is minus 3 over 4. Negative 5 and negative, if you had negative 5 and negative 3, you have negative 8 over 4. Then the answer is negative 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Number 16.
Sir,
Yeah.
I
What did you
think
say?
this one, I think it's like okay somehow. His phone
What did
is
you say?
low.
Okay, the
I
phone,
think
right?
his phone is low. So should I do this one as classwork?
Okay. If you want to do it as classwork, will the phone be able to carry you?
That's the problem.
Or we should just continue. So even if it goes off, I'm going to send you the notes, okay?
Okay, sir.
Let's just continue. So number 16, then later on, maybe when we meet next class, that will be on Monday. I can give you work to do. So
Okay,
number
sir.
16 says, verse 14, 13, 14, 15. Oh, this one I solved is number 19. I didn't read that right. It's number 15. So it's number 19. Let me change the number there. So I'll just label it as 19. Then I'll be able to. Now, number 15 that I wanted to solve. Let's check what question is there. This is, I know, x minus y. Yeah, I think so. Number 15 says x minus y. Remember that y is negative 5. So x minus a negative 5. Then minus times minus is plus. Meanwhile, the x is 4. So I have to replace that with 4. So 4 minus minus 5, that'll be 4 plus 5, okay? And that'll be 9.
So where is the other minus coming from?
Yeah, look at the question. The question says x minus y, right?
Yes, sir.
Look here. Are you looking at the screen?
Okay, okay, I
This
get
is x in a bracket minus then y
it.
in a bracket. So, but y has a negative sign, okay?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Then number 16 says x plus z, and that is 4 plus negative 3. And this is going to be 4 minus 3, which is 1. Then number 17, we have z minus x. Z is negative 3, then minus, then 4. That's going to be negative 7. And number 18, we have x minus z. X minus z. Z is a negative number, so 4 minus that negative number 3. That'll be 4 plus 3. And that's going to be 7. So we've done number 19. Let's move to number 20. 20 says x minus y over z. And that's going to be 4 minus negative 5 over
Yes, sir.
negative 3. This is 4 plus 5 over negative 3, which is 9 over negative 3. And the answer is negative 3. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from number 21 to 24, let's go to the next page.
From
We have
number
one.
one.
Yes, number 21 to the 24. We want to go to the next page now. So, number 21, we have x plus y over z. X is 4 plus y is negative 5, z is negative 3. So that is 4 minus 5 over negative 3. 4 minus 5 is negative 1 and
Yes.
over negative 3. So negative cancel negative, you have 1 over 3 as your answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then number 22, we have x plus z over x plus y. X is 4 according to the question plus negative 3, which is z, over 4 plus negative 5. So we have 4 minus 3 and we have 4 minus 5. This is 1 over negative 1 and the answer is negative 1.
Yes.
Number 23, we'll go y plus 5z over x. Y is negative 5 and 5z. So z is negative 3, then over 4, which is x. Then we got negative 5. 5 times 3 is 15, so this is minus 15 over 4. Minus 5 minus 15 is minus 20 over 4, which is minus 5. That's the final answer. And the last question, number 24, we got x over z minus y. So this is going to be 4 over minus 3 minus negative 5. And this is 4 over minus 3 plus 5. And this is also 4 over 2 because minus 3 plus 5 is 2. The final answer is 2. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to give you some time to start writing it, and even if it goes off, um, I'm going to send it over. Okay.